Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now tap on your speaker here. At the bottom we have Equalizer, so we need to tap on it also, and then select a custom. Tap on it, cancel, and now we can make some preset. It already create. I don't know who made it, but firstly we can reset it. So if you don't need, if you don't like what you made, you can just click the reset button at the right top, then click yes, and we have it by default. Also right here we have a one preset, a custom one. We can create more presets. Just click at the plus and then click Add Equalizer. You can also scan QR code if you have it, but let's add it. Now name it, let's call it test, and then click Done. And we just create a second preset. Also you can click full band and it will change this picture. So maybe it will be the best one for you. Next one, what we can do? We can delete it or rename it. Click the settings icon, I just swapped to custom, and as you can see I can't delete the custom one, only test. To delete it, because you can't remove your current preset. So to delete it, click at this red icon and then delete. Also right here we have this pencil icon to rename this preset. Click on it and write something. Let's call it custom test. And after you did it, click done to save this new name. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.